Welcome from EV Learning Tools. Here we are given information on Railway Protection Security Force (RPF) vacancies. Railway Recruitment Board has published job notice for 1,120 vacancies for sub-inspectors. Interested railway job aspirants can now apply for RPF SI Recruitment through online mode. Application forms for RPF Sub-Inspector Jobs 2018 must be submitted before the last date, that is 30th of June 2018. Name of the organization: Railway Protection Security Force (RPF). Name of the posts: Sub-Inspector, SI. Number of vacancies: 1,120 posts. Job category: Railway jobs. Job location: anywhere in India. RPF Vacancy 2018 important dates. Advertisement release date: 18th of May 2018. Starting date to apply online: 1st of June 2018. Last date to submit RPF online: 30th of June 2018. Educational qualification: RPF SI eligibility is as follows. Should have passed graduation from a recognized institution or university. RPF SI age limit: minimum age 18 years, maximum age limit 25 years. RPF SI selection process. Selection procedure for RPF job involves computer-based test, physical efficiency test and physical measurement test, document verification. Selected candidates for RPF will get salary of 35,400 Indian rupees plus allowances. For more information, log into website indianrailways.gov.in. Thanks for watching EV Learning Tools. We'll give updated job vacancy. Keep watch and share with your friends, and also subscribe our channel.